Hi, I'm Jing, a Chinese teacher. Boost your Chinese fluency with powerful idiom stories. Subscribe now to watch the full series. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn an idiom, 拔苗助长. So the literal translation of 拔苗助长 is pulling up the sprouts to help them grow. It's used to describe someone who tries to speed things up but ends up ruining the process. In English, it's a bit like saying haste makes waste. So it's often used as a warning not to rush progress or force things before their time. So this idiom comes from a well-known fable in ancient China. In the spring and autumn period, there was a farmer who was eager to see his rice seedlings grow faster. Every day he went to check on them, but he felt they were growing too slowly. So one day he came up with what he thought was a clever solution. He pulled each of the little plants up just a bit to make them taller. And after he finished, he proudly told his family, "Oh, look, I helped all the seedlings grow today." But the next day, when he went to check on his plants, every single one of them had withered and died. So that's why 拔苗助长 is now used to describe actions that are meant to help but actually cause harm by being too impatient. Now let's break down the characters in the idiom and explore some other words they can form. The first one is 拔, it means to pull. 拔, to pull. For example, 拔牙, to pull a tooth. 牙, tooth. 拔牙, to pull a tooth. And the next example, 拔河. 拔河. Actually, 河 means river, but the word 拔河 means tug of war. It's a kind of a game or sports in China. But you can see from the game, the action, that there are two teams pulling a string, right? So it's still to pull. So 拔河, tug of war. Next one, miáo. Miáo, it means seedling or a young plant. For example, 禾苗. 禾苗. 禾 is rice plant. So 禾苗, rice seedlings. 禾苗. And the next one, 苗条. 苗条. It means slim, slender. And you can remember the words this way because miao is young plant, right? The figure of miao, young plant, looks like people who are slim. So it's kind of like a metaphor. So 苗条, 苗条, slim, slender. The next one, 助. 助, to help. And for example, 帮助. 帮助. So both character 帮 and 助 mean help, but the words they make up together, 帮助 still means to help. And there are many words in Chinese made up this way, like the first character and the next character, the two characters in one word, have the same meaning, and the words they make up together still mean the same. 帮助, to help. And the next one, 助手. 助手. 手 means hand, and you can remember the word this way, the hand to help. So 助手 means assistant. 助手. 助手. The last one, 长. 长 means to grow. For example, 成长. 成长 to grow up. And both 成 and 长 means to grow. So this word can mean both physically and mentally, and it can be used both on people and animals or plants. And the next one, 生长. 生长 it also means to grow, and 生 means to live. So 生长 versus 成长. 生长 is mainly used on plants and mainly used to mean grow physically. So 生长, 生长, 成长. 成长. So by learning just this one idiom today, you've picked up 4 useful characters you see often in other words. I'll call that efficiency. Now I'll read the origin story of this idiom in Chinese, and you can use this part as your Chinese listening practice or a bedtime story. Let's see how much you can catch. 春秋时，宋国有个农夫性子很急，他插下秧苗后，每天都到田边去看看秧苗长了没有。一连观察几天，都不见秧苗长高。他心里十分着急。 有一天，他忽然想出了一个主意。只见他跑到田里，把秧苗一棵一棵从土里拔高一些，然后走到田边一看，秧苗果然长高了许多。他心里暗自得意，马上照着样子把整块田的秧苗都拔高了。太阳挂在天上像一团火球，农夫拔了一天秧苗，累得筋疲力尽。回到家里，农夫对儿子说：“哎，今天可把我累坏了，辛辛苦苦干了一整天，总算帮助秧苗长高了一些。”儿子一听，居然还有这样的好事，连忙跑到田边去看，只见满田的秧苗全都耷拉着脑袋枯死了。拔苗助长这一成语，比喻不顾事物发展规律，强求速成，结果反而把事情弄糟。And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.